What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning. And in this video, I wanted to discuss Apecoin a little bit more. Obviously, I already analyzed it yesterday afternoon, almost evening, kind of depending on where you live, obviously. But we discussed it because yesterday it was already actually bullish earlier than other cryptos. That was this move right here. After that, we did drop down to 6.6, but not as low as we dropped down earlier, because we dropped down to like 5.4 at the low. So that's great. Today it's bullish again, up 50%. Still, if you take a look at it from like the 7-day perspective, still down 30%. I think you all know why that is. But if you don't know, it's I'll explain it quickly. If a coin, for example, moves down by 50%, so they have a 50% loss in like a day, how many percentage does the coin need to earn or needs to get to actually get back to that level it was at? Not 50, it needs to earn 100%. So that's why up 40% looks great. But if it's down 100% and up 40%, that doesn't mean that we've really, or if it's down 50% and we're up 40%, it doesn't mean that we're almost back at those levels. It's still down 30%. But yeah, I think you all do realize that that's the case. So in the analysis yesterday, because this is kind of like an update as well, in the analysis yesterday, we actually talked about the possibility of breaking this 8.15 level, which we sadly didn't do. We actually managed to reach $9, but we didn't close above that. So we, as a matter of fact, dropped down to 6.5 again, took a break retest, and now we have gone above that. So as you can see, we are finding some resistance here at 9.5, which is the lower bound of this bigger key area. But I do think we can actually go further into that area, so more around $10 and 10.5. That is my price target. As of right now, that really is my final price target. I think in these market circumstances, I don't think we can get higher. But something that is possible is that we reject from here and actually consolidate a little bit between $7 and $10, because I must say that analyzing in these market conditions is very difficult. We did expect some sort of market, some sort of way of the market quieting down and getting some bullish moves in. We also talked about that in a video before this about Bitcoin and the whole market. That is what you tend to see after a big drop down. So $5 has proven to be that level for Apecoin. But again, it's very unpredictable to like predict what's going to happen. Now, I think that we won't break 10.5 and that it's more likely to actually stay here between $7 and 10.5. But whether that $7 level is going to hold for the long term, I'm not sure. I think it's going to hold for the next few days. But I don't think it's going to hold if this is a real bear market, because then this would just be a fake bull move, a bull trap. A lot of people buying in, and then the whales are selling, and we will drop down to $5 as soon as we can. Something great about this move is that that $5 has proven to be strong. So I do think now that $5 and that whole level around it, between $5 and $6 more specifically, I do think that's a stronger level, and I do think that's going to hold for a longer period of time. So yesterday I thought for at least a couple of days. Now I think it could actually hold for multiple weeks. So yeah, that's basically my thoughts on Apecoin right now. So do want to add one thing going on about the same thing I said about the market being unpredictable and stuff. That also does mean that if for some reason this was just a one-time bearish move and we actually do break above 10.6, maybe we could see some very quick recovery. But if you just take a look at the market right now, but also economic and political factors throughout the world, I don't think the chances of that are very likely. And yesterday we talked about this being the start of a bear market and stuff, and I still believe we are in the beginning of somewhat of a at least relatively more bearish market. So I don't think that's likely, but it is something you should obviously take a look at and definitely stay alerted about. But that's basically my analysis for now on Apecoin. If you do have any questions about the analysis, and we were actually analyzing on the 3-hour time frame, don't know why that was, But yeah, if you do have any questions about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments. But as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.